Alright guys, welcome back. My name is Jenn Neil from RESINSPIRED, and we are going to repurpose my jewelry box top. We're going to do a flower. It's going to be pink, purple, and yellow, and pretty, and let's hope it goes the way I need it to. I wanted to give a shout out. I'm not going to name the person because they asked me not to, but one of my students donated money towards the cause of my tools, and you know who you are, chick, and I just wanted to thank you. You know, I've come a long way. I've recovered from a lot of heartache. For somebody to actually give to me and then I want to pay it forward, but they think I've already paid it forward, is very humbling for me. So thank you, sister. I really appreciate it. I'm not going to go over the bloom recipe today because it is in Art Addicts, and I did fix the link because some people are having issues downloading it. So if you can't get the PDF version, there's a link there that goes to my Google Docs. There we go. All right. Oh, I'm so nervous. I mean, look at this monstrosity. Like, what was I thinking? Baby, you gots to go. Sorry, I'm yakety yak. I'm just trying to stay positive, you guys. There's so much hate in this world right now. It's making me sad. I suffered a lot. You know what I mean? So let's try to make a happy piece. So Craftnique Black, of course. So this is not very big, so I can't really go overboard with the paint. Then the purple is a Vavoom red, and blue and red to it, and black, and like a flower. Someone said, you had too much coffee, Jen. Anyway, I made a really dark purple. One thing I like about primary elements is they're very light, but you can also just add a couple drops of black, and it doesn't have to be Craftnique black. Any acrylic paint to it, and it'll darken the shade for you without you having to really mess with it. You know what I mean? A light and a dark. So this is Craftnique red. It glows. Like, it's not even fluorescent. And I can't even, it doesn't glow in the dark. But I'm saying, like, if you use it, it brings the best out in a lot of colors. A lot of people, when they do blooms, they just do like this, like, puddle after puddle after puddle. And I'm not knocking it, okay? But for me, you guys should know right now, I am all over the place. And purple here brings the center darker color. I don't know if I should put a little more red down or not. Maybe we can. Alright, and I'm still not naming off colors. Gosh, I'm sorry. This was Snapdragon. Alright, so this is Jasmine. It's also a primary element color. It's actually really pretty. And I lightened it just a little bit with fluorescent pink from Liquitex Basics. This is the big guy. This guy has to go right in the center like this. I mean, how many times can you do a bloom, right? Eventually you get to the point where you have to switch it up. A bloom is a bloom is a bloom. Well, I can't live with that. So we're going full throttle. You know, I mean, I tried the glass. I tried a beach pour. Like, I got plenty of ideas coming. I'm not ready to give up on the bloom technique. I can go back to the flip cups and the ring pours if you want me to. Please go back to what it was. And I'll be like, okay. I do have interference. You guys are probably like, oh my gosh, how many colors does this girl have? Like, this is ridiculous. Just stick with me because I have I've put a lot of thought into this, and I don't know if it was a crapshoot or if it's something that might come out of this. You know what I mean? Now this is color shift. Somebody asked me in the last video, what is color shift? This particular one I got from Craftnique. Colourarte has a bunch of interference, but the color shift that I'm using, the color shift is like 15 colors in one. So depending on your light source, it's gonna kind of glow a different color. because things are really getting ready to pop once I put the solid activator down. We're just going to float it in the center. Try to. We're not using Lucy today. We're using Jen. Sticks off. I think. I hope that was a good move. If not, we're going to put them back. I know you guys are probably like, okay, what is going to happen next kind of thing. And, no. Sorry, no. It was stupid to remove my sticks. I have to make sure that I know where the clip is because the last jewelry box I did it upside down. So everything was pointing in the wrong direction. Dark red right in the middle like that. Now we're going to add the red. The Pyrrole Red Light. This is Ginger Peach. Color shift. Okay. Now our cell activator, and then we tilt and try to make something beautiful. Karen was laughing. She's like, oh my gosh, you said give it a little puff in your last video. I was like, yeah. I wonder who I got that from. Alright. Come on, baby. This is US Floetrol, by the way, you guys. Like I said, I just whipped the hell out of it before I'm ready to go. We're just going to hook it over the edge. Cool. Bring it back. Come on, baby. If I gotta do another little bloom in the center, trust and believe I will do it. I'm sorry, Karen. There will be no negative space. Yeah, we're just gonna do the cell activator, I think. Oh yeah. I think that was a really good move. Just a little bit over the edge over here. So I can spread some out. I know you guys like it when I get excited, but I gotta tell you, I am excited. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. That is so beautiful. Like if you guys are up late, you can always message me and be like, Jen, what are you doing? And I'll just be like, painting. You wanna paint with me? Kind of thing. We're recentering and we're stopping. Yeah, it's going in my auction, you guys. I'm almost ready. Everybody's like, why aren't you selling your art? And I was like, because I liked looking at it. Well, it is time because now I'm climbing over art. And we're going above and beyond. We're going bigger. We're going louder. We are going wooden and circles. This is mostly primary elements, y'all. I mean, there's a bunch of Craftnique. I can't live without Craftnique. Like, primary elements in Craftnique is the perfect harmony for me. And I've spent a lot of time really digging into it. But there you have it. That is just beautiful. Man, I wish you guys could see this in person because it is just... Wait till I get resin on this bad boy. So this video is officially a wrap. Thanks so much for sticking with me. If this is your first time viewing my channel, there is a subscribe button right in the center of your screen. I also have some of my most recent videos listed as well for you to watch. If you would like some private lessons, I offer that too. The bloom recipe is in my Facebook Art Addicts group. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.